One sec, I need my TikTok hat. Boom, this is the non-viral TikTok hat. This episode, we're talking about 3 tips to go viral on TikTok. So I've been putting out a ton of different TikTok videos. We do a lot of content on TikTok, and I've been getting a ton of questions from you guys about why some videos go viral and why some don't. So I wanted to create this episode and go through 3 quick tips, my favorite 3 tips to help your videos go viral and get more organic reach on TikTok. Tip number 1, guys, is you have to be native in order for your content to go viral. At this point in time, there is content on TikTok that is contextual to TikTok. You can watch it, you get excited, you're scrolling through the For You page, you know what is hitting the trends and you know what isn't. The stuff that you scroll straight through. When we started on TikTok, early in my profile, I was just posting content from other platforms to TikTok. I wasn't being organic. Then we started to post organic content and we saw it start to create an impact and get more organic reach. Now, what does organic mean? Organic just means that you're posting videos that are using music from TikTok. You're posting videos that are using the trending hashtags. You're following the trends. And then finally, you are doing videos within that 15-second range that fit within the platform at this time. That's not saying that that's not going to change, but as of now, scroll the For You page, get context, and start making organic content. Tip number 2, videos that go viral on TikTok, for the majority, have really good light and are good quality. Now, that doesn't mean you're not shooting on your phone. Phone quality, 4K quality from a phone is fantastic video in order to post on TikTok. But the videos that go are not grainy. We've only seen 1 or 2 that have been grainy that have gone, but they were very original, which will come to our last tip. So invest in some lights, find a way to have a YouTube light or go on Amazon, find something that's gonna provide you with a little light so that if you're shooting in your house or you're shooting in dark conditions, you can make better quality videos. It's going to help you get through that algorithm, get that quality score, and get your content out to more people. Lastly, tip number 3, be original. Try to make original content. Now, for us, we started running out of ideas. We know it's hard. We know the brain feels like exploding when you're trying to come up with original ideas. You can follow the trends, but if you can find a way to build on a duet or create a reaction, add value, make it funny, make it interesting, making it organic to the platform, your content is going to have a much greater chance of going viral. So yes, follow the trends. Yes, you can do some of the same things that other people are doing and get onto that trend and be exciting and be organic, but be original too. Try to come up with your own ideas using those trending songs, seeing the new songs coming out and trying to come up with a new idea. The most viral videos, the ones that go, the ones that are changing people's lives and getting millions and millions of views are the ones that are completely original, that get outlined by TikTok and go out on the TikTok Instagram profile, are shot out everywhere and are shared a ton. So there's 3 tips for this video, guys. And before I go, I'll say one more thing. The number 1 thing that we look for in order to see if a video is going to go viral is the watch time of that video. Seeing how much it's keeping people on TikTok, how much it's keeping them scrolling the For You page. So focus on that. Try to keep people on your post longer. Find ways to increase your watch time by being funny, providing value, being organic, all the things I talked about. And your videos are going to go out further than they have ever before. And make lots of content. Not every single one's going to go. Some are going to get 500 views, some are going to get 100,000 views, depending on who's seeing it, what the quality score is, what day it is, what's trending, all of these different factors. So make lots of content, get it out, and you have that shot. I've been lucky enough to have a couple videos go out on TikTok so that we've been able to create and correct, have this trial by fire, and see what's working. Now you gotta go do the same thing, get out there, make it happen. And I hope to see you guys in my next TikTok episode because I have a ton of them. I'm trying to make a lot of these and give you guys as much value as possible. See you guys then.